So F5 is the market leader in application delivery. So in delivering applications whilst ensuring that they are secure, making sure that they're as optimized and fast as available, and making sure that the applications are always available online.
What next generation technologies are you showing at IP Expo?
Sure, certainly. So some of the new stuff that we're talking about at IP Expo is around how clouds are built, how individuals and companies are looking at building private clouds, along with service providers and organisations building public clouds, and then how organisations can bring them together and put together an IT strategy that helps them realise the maximum return on investment from external and internal clouds.
Could you speak on the major market trends for 2010 in the IT market?
Yeah, so 2010 has been a very interesting year. We've seen many customers looking to reduce the amount of operating expenditure they have, whilst increasing the amount of value that they offer to the business. So although those two things kind of work in contravention or against each other, the organisations have been looking for IT to deliver more value with less budget.
Owen, could you speak on any professional alliances or initiatives that will push the industry forward next few years?
Sure, certainly. So I think specifically from a UK perspective, there's several groups of industry experts that are really kind of thought leaders around some of the emerging technologies. And if I was to pick one and maybe talk about wireless technologies, there's a group called Cambridge Wireless, based in Cambridge, which is kind of like the UK Silicon Valley, if you like, where the academics and the business community and the venture capitalists all come together. And there are some really exciting innovations being driven there in terms of wireless networks and 3G networks and converging that with business.
Are there any business challenges that your company face as you develop globally?
Well, we help our customers to face many business challenges of their own in terms of how to make the IT operations deliver for the value back into the business, whilst doing that in a cost-controlled way. Now, looking at things like consolidating data centres, which is a big thing for many companies, we look at how we can help them do that and reduce the server footprint that they have within data centres, but give them the intelligence to perhaps burst applications across multiple data centres, or even burst applications into the cloud, but to do that transparently, so that the end user is unaware of the fact that they're doing intelligent things with their infrastructure.
If we are talking about the challenges that your own company face?
Challenges that F5 themselves face. I think probably the biggest challenge that F5 faces, definitely from a UK perspective, which is all I can really comment on, is the speed at which we need to grow. So we're aggressively growing our technical resources in the UK to reflect really good customer engagement that we're seeing, and a lot of the projects where customers who have looked at virtualization in the past are now looking at how they can make their virtual infrastructures much more intelligent. So we're putting a lot of time and resource into helping our customers be able to migrate applications between data centers on the fly, if you like.